Hello everyone, I am Rajesh Sharma in front of you. After the previous video, impulse of, now we discuss about the Newton third law of motion. What is the Newton third law of motion? We know that every action just opposite equal to reaction. To like as when the person to be throw the ball, to like as the given diagram, if the force applied at a ball from the direction 1 to 2, because 1 is that is represented the ball and 2 that is represented the wall. When the ball is thrown in the direction of the wall, then applied force is F12, and afterward when it will be strike on the wall and it will be returned on the opposite direction, because when the ball is strike, that is also behave as the paper that was the east, and after collision then ball is returned on the direction of west. That will be the equal amount of the forces is applied, but the direction is opposite, and it is also follow to the Newton third law of motion. It was the mathematically represented in the form of calculus to like as vector F12 that is also equal to dp12 upon dt, and f21 that is also equal to the minus dp21 upon dt. It will be mathematically represented in the form of calculus, and we observe the many example of the Newton third law. To like as when the person is applied the force on the trigger of the gun or rifle, then he also observed that when the bullet fired in the forward direction, but our gun to be go in the backward direction, that is also follow to the Newton third law of motion. And another word, we can be say that the momentum of the object to be changed. Okay students, now we discuss about the another important topic in this chapter. In our daily life, the many example of the friction. What is the friction? A force is applied in the opposite direction of the motion, that is known as the friction. Friction is an important application in our daily life. That was generally three types. First is static friction, second limiting friction, third kinematic or dynamic friction. Now we discuss about our topic, what is the friction and how it will be work in the different appliances and how many types. What is the friction? A force applied in the opposite direction of the motion, it is known as the friction. To like as if the body is moved in the direction of east to west, then the friction is applied at the body in the opposite direction from west east to west. That was the easier example of the friction. When a person is ride a bicycle, we observe that when he applied the force on the pedal, by and by the bicycle go in the forward direction, but person is after some time that will be behave as the fatigue, because when the force applied on the pedal, and earth is also applied the friction in the opposite direction of the bicycle wheel and try to the body in the come about in the rest motion. That is the example of the friction, but in that time then friction is applied at the body, that was the kinematic or dynamic friction. Now we discuss about the how many types of the friction and how it is a function in our instruments, our body and the different appliances. Now the first discuss about types of friction.